This is Matthew from the Windows Club. If the Chrome installer is stuck on waiting to download for your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to simply restart your computer. This can fix the issue for many users. The second solution is to check the status of your internet connection. Simply open your favorite website on the browser. The third solution is to try the offline Chrome installer. It does not require the internet. This has been explained over a separate article and video. The last solution is to check the storage on your system. If your system does not have enough storage for the Chrome software, then you will have to delete a few files and folders to make space for the same. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your question. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.